I'm Francesco Dal Co. I lecture in architectural history at the Istituto Universitario di Architettura of Venice. We're here at St. Mark's Basilica on the balcony of the Bronze Horses. The square spreads out below us. This square is a concentration of the centuries. All the things that have happened to the city throughout its history are represented here. There are lots of other beautiful towns in the Veneto, many other magnificent squares. Visit Padua to see its two wonderful squares and the loggia. Or Vicenza, whose main square features one of Andrea Palladio's greatest masterpieces. And then to Verona. In addition to the towns, to the larger towns, there are lots of smaller towns which nonetheless have left their mark on history. Such as Asolo, or Rovigo. There are so many places that talk about the history of a city. Cities tell us your stories. That's what squares do. They're the stages on which the history of our cities is acted out. The Veneto is an extraordinary metropolis of time, and as such it deserves to be preserved.